Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of our new arrivals here. This is a beautiful 2021 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through a couple of the options on the boat here. This particular one has the full green hull. This is your glacier green right here. This is an option from the factory, as well as the white rub rail with insert. This one comes with a nice galvanized trailer. This will fit in most standard garages. This one does have your swim ladder on the back, 40 horsepower 4-stroke back here. Very good fuel economy, very good horsepower to weight ratio. Here you've got your bench seat, steering wheel with your nav lights, 12-volt reset there in the dash, and your binnacle. Battery goes on our port side over here, fuel tank on our starboard side. Also has the grab rails on the inside, and then dedicated anchor storage. So these have been really popular boats. A lot of people use these as tenders for larger yachts, or just something that, you know, is kind of fun and inexpensive that will fit in most standard garages. So anyways, recap, Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport, located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks again for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.